Hello people, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the middle line algorithms. Yeah, line drawing algorithms. So last class we have seen the DDA and we have seen the disadvantage of DDA algorithm also. So that was main disadvantage was floating point arithmetic, and that is time consuming. So in this algorithms, this middle line algorithm is also called as Bresenham algorithm general forms. So in this algorithms we have only work on the based on addition, subtractions and integer multiplication. So we'll see these algorithms here. So consider equation of line is given here. Y is equal to mx plus c. Yeah, you can write dy by dx plus dy by dx into x plus b. So we can rewrite these functions also in term of f of x and y is equal to dy into x minus dx into y plus b into dx. Just I have cross multiply and have bring one side. So here, if you compare this equation of the straight line, a into x plus by plus c. So here a is dy and b is minus dx, and this constant c is equal to b into dx. Just we have written in the form of general equation. So if any line, consider this is pixel here. This is pixel here. If any line is passing here, this line, so we will see the coordinate. Either we have to choose this coordinate or this coordinate. So this coordinate is called as northeast corner and this is east. So we'll find the midpoint of these 2 points. That let's consider this is the midpoint M. So this is your consider xp yp. So this coordinate will be northeast coordinate will be xp plus 1 and yp plus 1, and this coordinate E will be xp plus 1 and yp. So we can find the midterms here, this M. So what will be the coordinate of midterms? This become xp plus 1 plus xp plus 1 by 2, which is xp plus 1, and yp plus 1 plus yp by 2, which is yp plus half. So this we got the coordinate of midterms, that is P. So now this consider if we substitute this point M in this straight line, yeah, any point if you substitute in this straight line, if you coming it greater than 0, which means the point is below. I will write it here. If f of xy is greater than 0, if the point below, okay, it indicate here this points will be below, means this downward will be there, because we know that in the downward here x is increasing, y is very small values. So x is higher and y will be lesser value here, so we'll get the positive values. So that function is f of xy greater than 0. If f of xy less than 0, means if the point are above means this is upward from the straight line. This is a straight line. If you take this point here, this point here, any another point here, so here x coordinate is less compared to y coordinate. You can write here y is over here high here in this above to the straight line, so y will be higher here, so this values will be negative and another will dominant, so this f of xy will be less than 0. Okay, so now what we have to do, we consider this is the straight line passing from the point Q. We can say this straight line is passing from the point Q. If Q is above to M, this line now already is above. If Q is above to M, then we have to select the pixel is northeast as your next choice. So we'll choose it, hence select the northeast pixel as your next choice. And if Q, this consider this straight line is passing from here, this Q, now this consider this now is this Q dash. If Q dash, yeah, Q, so the same values here, this is not now a straight line. We are considering this is a straight line which passing Q is below to this midpoint M. That time we have to select east corner as a next choice. Yeah, X pixel as a next choice. So we know that the criteria now we can write in the algorithms in term of if f of m means this function at the midpoint it comes greater than 0, then select northeast, else f of select it here east. So if m greater than 0, which indicates that point is above to the m, and point above to the m means it will be nearest to the northeast. And if fm is less than 0 means this q point lie inside the m, and we have to choose the nearest point as a east. So we have to find the midpoint here and evaluate the midpoint by using the decision variable. So let's consider here I will draw it this one point once again. This one. This was xp yp. This is xp plus 1 yp. This is xp plus 1 and yp plus 1. This is northeast and this is east. We find the midpoint here, that is xp plus 1 and yp plus half. So we'll consider this d of decision function at this middle point f of m. So this f of m point is f of xp plus 1 and yp plus half. So we'll substitute this coordinate in the equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line, d is equal to, which becomes a into xp plus 1 plus b into yp plus half plus this constant c. And we'll set this d as a d old. We'll set as a, this is d old values. So we got it, d old is equal to this d values which we find for the midpoint. This one is the old values of d, that is decision variable. So based on this d values, which is the midpoint of this point we have substituted in the function, we got it, that is d. Based on d we can decide whether we have to choose the this northeast corner or east corner. So if d is greater than 0, which means this function, the point of this middle point is below to this straight line, because consider this is a straight line is passing over here. We substituted this midpoint here f of m in the function and we got it greater than 0, means this f of m lie inside of this straight line. So a straight line is passing here, so at that time we will choose the northeast corner as a nearest. So we will choose northeast corner. And if in the case of d is less than equal to 0, d less than equal to 0 means we have substituted this m values in the d and we got it less than, means this straight line actually is passing from here and this m values is above to this straight line. So that time this line is nearest to the east point, so that time we will choose the east corner, east point as a next choice as a pixel. So what is the scene here, what we have done so far? this was the pixel here. Once again I will so far we have done here, if any, this is pixels if given here, this is the any coordinate that is northeast and this is east. If any line is passing here, and we will find the first midpoint, this midpoint, and we have substituted the midpoint coordinate here, xp plus 1 and yp plus half. We will find this midpoint here, and that we'll check out this midpoint point. This midpoint is lie inside of this straight line or outside of the straight line. When it will be outside, like this one, if you given thing, this is the midpoint and this line is passing from here. So in this case, this middle point is inside the straight line, and in this case midpoint is outside of the straight line. So this midpoint coordinate is, we know that xp plus 1 and yp plus half in the both cases here, xp plus 1 and yp plus half. If you substitute in this function, this straight line function, this straight line which is given as straight line equation, so we will get it either greater than 0 or less than 0. So we have substituted this coordinate in the f of xp plus 1 and yp plus half in the function, and that we have considered as a d. And d, if you come less than 0, d less than 0, which means this m is outside, right? This m is above to the straight line. That time this straight line is passing nearest from the east, we have to choose it east. And if d is greater than 0, which means this m is lie inside of the straight line, and that time this straight line is nearest to the northeast corner, and we have to choose the northeast corner. Any doubt till here? So let's consider in the case 1, we are choosing the case 1, we are choosing the east corner. Choose east corner. So east corner means m is above to the line. So m is above to the line. So next pixel will be this m dash, this one, when we are choosing the east corner. And when we are finding the northeast corner, then will be the next coordinate will be, this is m double dash, when we are choosing the northeast then. So now we are choosing the east corner. So let's talk about the east corner only. So east corner means this midpoint, midpoint m is above to the line, and the next point, this straight line will passing from this m there. So d new we can find it here, which is f of m dash coordinate, f of m dash, which is xp plus 2. This coordinate m dash is xp plus 2, and y coordinate will be the same, yp plus half. This is point is parallel to the same point as a m dash m. So y coordinate will not change. So here we will get it, m dash coordinate is xp plus 2 and yp plus half. So this point, if you substitute in the equations, so you can check out what are the changes happening from the d old. So we can write d new is equal to this a into xp plus 2 plus b into yp plus half plus constant c. And if you compare these equations and this equation, so d new is equal to, we can write it here, same as d old, and plus this is a extra t. So we can write here d old is equal to, this remaining term is, we can write, if you not able to understand, so I will explain it step by step. A into, we can write here xp plus 1 plus a, because xp plus 2 we can write xp plus 1 plus b into yp plus half and plus c. So this whole terms is d old only. We got extra term is a. So d new is equal to d old plus a. So what is the difference? We have got it here. So we can write the difference of d in the east side will be only, like you can write d new minus d old. We got it a. And what is a here? A is the dy. So we can write this one as a dy. And now we'll update the d new values with d old plus this difference of which one we got it for the. For the case 2, when m is below to the straight line, this case. So m is below to the straight line. So that time we have choosing the northeast corner. So northeast corner is this. So choose northeast corner. That time d of new is equal to, the next coordinate will be here, this m double dash, because this straight line will pass from the like this. So this m dash coordinate will be here. X coordinate will changing with 1 pixel, so xp plus 2, and y also is changing for the 1 pixel, so it become yp plus 3 by 2. So we can write here this f of m double dash, f of xp plus 1 by 2, sorry, xp plus, that is 2, and y coordinate will be yp plus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. So if this coordinate will substitute in the equation of a straight line, a into xp plus 2 plus b into yp plus 3 by 2 plus c. So we can write it here, a into xp plus 1 plus a, and plus b into yp. I can write this 1 by 2 plus 1. So I can write yp 1 by 2 plus 1 into b, which is b plus c. So this whole term, this one, this and this, is just like a d old. This combine all three is d old plus a plus b. This is the d new, we got it. So d old is called to, we can write it here, this difference in the northeast corner, we got it, d new minus d old is equal to a plus b, and where a is dy and b is minus dx. So we can write here this b is minus dx. So we can substitute the value of b is minus dx. So this is how we have to choose the corner for the either east corner or northeast corner. Now we'll see the initial point, initial condition, then the initial parameter. So in the D start, we can write it here, this coordinate f of x naught, because consider this is the point is x naught y naught here. So this next point will be x naught plus 1 and y naught plus half. Y naught plus half. So if we substitute this coordinate in the equation of a straight line, a into x naught plus 1 plus b into y naught plus half plus c. So this becomes a x naught plus a plus b y naught plus b of half plus c. So this combined is 0, because this x naught y naught, this x naught y naught is the initial point, and this will be considered x naught y naught, which is straight line passing here. So this is a straight line passing from the x naught y naught. So these values will be equal to 0 if you substituting this function. Yeah, if you substituting the equation of a straight line. Okay. So this x naught y naught is passing from the straight line, yeah, starting point of the straight line. So this whole equation will be equal to 0. So the remaining will be a plus b by 2, which is also we can write d start is equal to this a is dy and minus b dx by 2. So here again d start has coming in the fractions here. So this function we have already discussed with fractions. Yeah, floating point multiplication is costly. So we'll convert it this one as a term of integer. So how can you convert this one as an integer? Because we have chosen the function starting as a this one equation of the straight line x plus by plus c. Then we got a starting point, everything. We got it this one here. So if consider this is 2 into this function x plus by plus c, then whole terms all it will be double. So if you multiply this one 2, so d start will be 2 into dy minus dx. Just this one we are doing to avoid the floating point multiplication. So everywhere this 2 will multiply. So this pi of northeast becomes here 2 times of dy minus dx, and this similarly here for the difference from the east side also it becomes 2 into dy. So this is the middle point criteria. So overall discussions I am writing as the algorithm. Yeah, just I will make it once again this revisions here. So we have done so far here. Just to keep in mind like this here, this is the coordinate if given here. You want to draw the straight line. This is the pixels. The starting point is x naught y naught. This coordinate is xp y. Yeah, consider this point is xp yp better. This point is xp plus 1 and yp. This is xp plus 1 and yp plus 1. We find the middle terms here, xp plus 1 and yp plus half. This if you coordinate, if you d, if you comes greater than 0, that time you choose the northeast corner. Northeast corner if you are choosing, the next point will be m dash here, m double dash, and that coordinate will be xp plus 2 and yp plus 3 by 2. And we are choosing when the d is less than equal to 0, then we are choosing the east corner. That time the next coordinate will be this m dash, and m dash coordinate will be xp plus 1, xp plus 2 and yp plus half. Now this one new value have to substitute it, and we have to update the value of that pi of d, means difference of new minus old, and we will write the algorithms here. This d is equal to f of m, which we are substituting as a f of xp plus 1 and yp plus half. In case of east, you are incrementing the, in the case of east corner, incrementing the x value as a 1, y is a constant. So the new coordinate we are getting here, d new is equal to f of m dash, and which is f of xp plus 2 and yp plus half. And we got it, the here difference is pi of d in the east is 2 into dy. And when we are choosing the northeast corner, then we are choosing d new is equal to f of m double dash, and that time the coordinate is xp plus 2 and yp plus 3 by 2. Means here x and y both are incrementing by 1. And we got the difference of this northeast corner is 2 times of dy minus dx. So this is how the algorithm we have to write, and you can write d starting is d start is we got it 2 into dy minus dx. So we will see some problem based on this. And so before starting the problem, just I am writing the whole this discussions whatever we have done in the term of algorithms. If d is less than equal to 0, then what you have to do? X have to increment by this x, means the next term will be increment by 1, and y with no changes, and this d of I will be the d of you can write new will equal to d of old plus 2 into dy. When you are choosing d less than equal to 0, which means that east corner. When d is greater than 0, means we are choosing the northeast corner. That time that x will be increment by one coordinate, y will be increment by one coordinate, and this d new will be d old plus 2 times of dy minus dx, and d start always will be 2 dy minus dx. So this is the full summary of the Bresshenham's line drawing algorithms, yeah, midpoint algorithms. So let's consider the example here. Consider the given here. We'll do here only so we can see the algorithm. Consider given a starting point is 5 and 8, and end point is given 9 and 11, and we have to find, I have to draw the straight line. So we can write it here. This is table here. Write this is d. This is the initial value of x and y, and this is next coordinate of xi and y plus 1. So first we will find the value of d. So d, how will you find? Before that, starting with, we will initialize this dx and dy. This, if you find it here slope, you will get it here 11 minus 8 3, and 9 minus 5 4. M is equal to given 3 by 4. dy is equal to here y2 minus y1, 11 minus 8, which is 3, and dx is equal to, we got it 9 minus 5, which is 4. So first we will find the value of p naught. This d naught means 2 into dy minus dx, the starting point. So 2 into dy is 3 minus 4. So 2 into 3, 6 minus 4, which is got it here 2. The initial coordinate is 5 and 8. So we got it d here is positive. D is greater than 0. Means we are choosing this northeast corner. So when the northeast corner is there, then x increment by 1 and y increment by 1. So x will be 6, and then y it become here 9. So I will keep drawing it also here. Consider this is the given here coordinate. This is the initial point that is considered. This is 5 and 8 given here. This is 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on 13. Okay. So the first coordinate is 5 and 8. The 5 and 8 is this one. Now the next we got it 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 will be look like this one here. Okay. This coordinate. So now again here D is positive, we got it. So we have written 6 and 9. X increment and Y increment. Now we have to find the D of new by using this formula. Then only we can go to the next question. So D new is equal to D old plus 2 times of dy minus dx. So D new is equal to, we got it here, D old, which is 2 plus 2 into dy minus dx. This is 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. It becomes 0. So if equal to 0, then this is as it is only. Then you have to do x increment by 1, y no change. So x become here 7 and y is no change. So we got it 7 and 9. We got it something like here. Next is update the du values. D old plus 2 into, we got it 0 here. So D old plus 2 dy, because we have to complete this iteration, then we can D old plus 2 dy. So D old is here 0 plus 2 into dy, which is 3. So this is 6. 6 means this is 7 and 9. 6 we got it. 6 means here D is greater than. So D is greater than means x increment, y increment. So 8 and this become here 10. So the next coordinate will be here 8 and 10. This one. Now D is positive here. We'll find the D new, which do D old plus 2 into dy minus dx, which is minus 1, which is 4 here. So 4, this is just as it is 8 and 10. So if 4 means D is positive. So D is positive means x increment and y also increment by 1. So 8 become 9, this become 11. So when we got this coordinate 9 and 11, so we can see it. This is the end point 9 and 11. Then you have to stop. So you can write here this is 9 and 11. This coordinate. So we can draw this one as a straight line. This will come straight only, but here just the difference of the pixel would look like a straight line only. So this is the line drawing algorithm. So next we'll discuss about the circle and the ellipse.